What did you do to this cat? Why did you pay her like that? Look at her, she's shaking.
It's my cat. I can do whatever I want. What is he?
Look what you did here. It's okay. You'll be all right. Go home now. I'll pick you up. Let me go home. Why did you do that? Look at her.
That's my cat. He stole my cat.
Look at her. You get the door. Hang on, girl. We're going to the hospital now. Oh my God, lady, I'll tell you later. Look at her. Officer, I didn't steal anything. I brought outside cooking the cat. I pulled her away and brought her here. I saved her.
As a patient, check the cat.
What?